Hi guys, it is April 16th, 2026. William here, and Kizzy's coming tonight at 5 o'clock, and we're gonna go up to the smoke shop and get some smokes. My neighbor borrowed another carton of smokes, so I have to replace it. He owes me $120. Oh my goodness, he's a good man. He works hard, he deserves it. So I lent him a carton of smokes. And then me and Kizzy are going to my bank. I gotta get some money out for the barbers. Then we're going to the barbers and I'm gonna get a beard trim and a haircut. And we're gonna do that. And then tomorrow, Kizzy's coming again tomorrow, and we're gonna go to the food bank. And I'm gonna do a food bank haul. I'll show you everything that I got at the food bank. And yeah. So the birds are doing good. I let them out this morning. I let them fly around, and they went back in their cage. One of the birds, whenever one of the birds eats, the other bird takes a fit and keeps it from eating. So that's the problem. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Whenever this bird eats, the other bird, Brian, I believe that's his name, Brian, flies around and flutters his wings and makes an awful racket. And yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. He is eating, the other bird is eating and getting enough food in him, but takes a fit. The other bird takes a fit whenever he eats. So I don't know, I've never seen anything like it before. Well, thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog.